Hey everyone, this is Ever Alcaraz from Boardwalk Realty, and today we're showcasing this exceptional 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit located in Bucerias, Nayarit. This is the main entrance to the property. Behind these closet doors, you'll find a full-size stackable washer and dryer. As soon as we come into the bedroom, this would be the primary suite. And the first thing that stands out to me is that all of the natural daylight. I love how they have these blackout curtains, so you always wake up to the sunrise. And I love the finishes that they have around the bed. Just want to point out these floating nightstands. Have the ceiling fan. Every room is equipped with its own AC inverter. You have plenty of closet space, and you have a private in-suite shower bathroom. So definitely very important to have your private bathroom in your primary bedroom. Follow me into the hallway. First thing that stands out to me is that there's tons of closet space, which is very nice to have in a home. And you would have your guest bathroom here located to the left. And for those of us who still work remotely from home or desire to work remotely, I love that they have this little desk, plenty of space, set up your computer. But something that really stands out to me, ladies and gentlemen, is how about coming into your own home and enjoying this magnificent ocean view. It is such a statement. It definitely lets you know that you're in Mexico. This would be the flex room, the additional bedroom. We have a ceiling fan. The way they have it set up, they have private closet space here. You have your TV for maybe nighttime, maybe watch a little soap, Netflix. You have the inverter, but also you have this magnificent view, and I can't keep my eyes off this view. As we make our way into the living room, I love how they did these finishes. Just gives it that high-end feel. I love how they have the tile, but also I'm bedazzled by this look. I mean, you really do have front row seats to the Pacific. And just to be specific, ladies and gentlemen, you're 2 blocks from the beach. This area of town is called Bucerias, Nayarit, and it's actually very, very desirable in terms of investments, also for expats, and it's very easy to get around because there's no hills to climb, and you're just 2 blocks from the beach. And there's something to be said about that. I think here what you're investing into is the convenience. And then if you can have a look to the north, ladies and gentlemen, this would be the La Cruz, Punta de Mita area. For those of you who are familiar, very desirable area as well. Something that stands out are the high-end finishes of this unit. I mean, here, this is a fully equipped kitchen, perfect for those who want to stay in and cook. You have your oven, you have your 5-burner stovetop, but look at all this cabinetry space. I love it. I love the lighting on the back. But this place looks amazing in the evenings, probably like day and night. But there's no wasted space. I mean, here we have these pantries, and these are locked off. You have high-end appliances, which is awesome. And again, no wasted space. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, or if you'd like a private showing of this condo or something similar in this area, please contact me for a showing. I'd be happy to help. Oh, and one more thing. This building has 2 rooftops, one below us that has a hot tub jacuzzi with lounge chairs, plenty of plants, gives it that tropical vibe, and one on the upper level that has an infinity rooftop panoramic views and also plenty of lounge chairs for you to work on your tan or maybe sip on a margarita. So let's go check it out. And here we're on the top roof bar. First thing that I come across is every man's dream, your own Weber. This is common area, this is shared area, but you have a Weber grill, which is perfect for those of us who love to grill steaks. I love the finishes. You have restrooms, nice bar area, you have a sink, you have a his and hers bathroom. But then the first thing that you see is tons of space to lounge and to soak up some sun. Ladies and gentlemen, please check out this view. This is Banderas Bay, Rivera Nayarit. It's just so tranquil and peaceful to see the waves from here crashing on the beach. I can actually hear the waves crashing. But yes, plenty of space to lounge. We have this amazing infinity heated pool, which is just lovely. You come home from work or come home from a walk on the beach, or want to have a night evening swim, this is a perfect place to do it. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in more information on this condo or condos similar to this, please contact us at Boardwalk Realty. My name is Ever. I'm here to help you find your dream home.